Model, 61-plate Ford Transit 260 short wheelbase, diesel front-wheel drive low-roof van TDCi 85ps. Spares OR repair. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 131,154. Engine, 2,198 cc TDCi 85 phosphorus monosulfide DURATORQ-C. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Well worth spending the time to getting this back on the road. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is below average. Rear load area is below average. Features, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link.